What's the meaning of Accelerando? Accelerando. 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 Accelerando is an Italian word that means to accelerate. In the context of science fiction, it is often used to describe the rapid pace of technological advancement. The term was popularized by the novel Accelerando by Charles Stross, which tells the story of a future where technology is advancing at an exponential rate. In the novel, the world is transformed by advances in artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and biotechnology. As technology continues to advance, the human race faces a number of challenges, including the potential for mass extinction and the creation of a new, post-human species. Briefly, Accelerando is a term used to describe the rapid pace of technological advancement. It is often used in science fiction to explore the potential consequences of this advancement, both positive and negative.